guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a skincare night routine, kind of like a weekly thing I do because your girl been dealing with acne. As you can see, I have some hormonal acne I've been dealing with, and so I just been trying different things on my face. But yeah, today I'm going to be using La Roche-Posay or something, I guess is how you pronounce it. This face wash along with the instant repair moisturizing cream. Yeah, this is pretty expensive, but I saw this on TikTok, and girl, I've been using this ever since. It's been about a month now since I've been using it, but this is the steamer that I'll be using. So yeah. It get really hot, really hot. So yeah, gonna let that sit for a little bit. And then I also been using Sea Breeze on my face. It has really helped me out a lot, like a lot. So yeah, so I keep these little cotton rounds, and then I'm just gonna also I be getting these little face masks. Like I try different ones out from Walmart, Target, the pharmacy. Today this one I'm using is from Walgreens, and it's a peel off mask. So we're gonna try this out after I Sea Breeze my face. It smells weird, like really weird, but it says that it cleanses and balances, helps remove impurities. We're gonna skip over our little eyebrows and our eye area because I don't want to mess nothing up on it. It's really hard for me to try out different products because my skin is so sensitive. I think I tried Clinique once before, and like I had hives all over my face after using the moisturizer, and I wanted so bad to try it out because I heard so much good stuff about it. But yeah, I don't know what's in it. And I would love to try out that new Fenty product, but the lip gloss broke me out. I'm sure the skin stuff will break me out. So yeah. So this says to let it sit on for 15 minutes and then peel it off. Okay, I'm back. It's time to peel this mask off. As y'all can see. peel off mess came off. And then I'm gonna let the steam hit my face a little bit longer and then add my moisturizer. This prebiotic thermal water moisturizing cream. Top with this water gel by Neutrogena Hydro-boost water gel. Okay, that's enough of that for the night. And then to finish off everything, I'm gonna use some Aquaphor lip repair. And then I am done. I can go to bed. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the little bell to get, you know, an alert for when I drop another video. Leave me a comment, leave me a comment suggesting some things that I could probably use that you guys might use that might be good for sensitive skin, acne prone skin. Yeah, so good night.